Okay, so the next exercise we're going to show you is a stretch that you can perform while using a yoga strap that we're going to do off of the this table that we have here. Now, this is the version of the stretch that I think is probably the best to do if you have a lot of back problems, because it is the safest to do on the back. It just requires a little bit of a setup in terms of being able to put one foot flat on the floor like Twee, and then from there using the strap to try to pull your heel towards your butt like so, right? Now the reason why we like perform this stretch with one foot flat on the floor is because it kind of stabilizes your pelvis and allows your back to stay completely flat and completely straight, and really forces you to just kind of isolate feeling the stretch that you get within the thigh, while making sure that there are no unnecessary stresses going into your back like so. All right. So once you kind of get into this position, and again, you can perform this either off of the edge of the bed or sometimes off of a sofa, just anything that kind of gets your your one leg kind of flat, and while you can focus on stretching the other side. And it's that once you start to feel a stretch within your thigh, just kind of by pulling your heel closer to your butt, just kind of stay right there for a couple seconds and take a couple nice deep breaths in. And on your exhale, try to just kind of pull your heel a little closer towards your buttock, just to increase the level of stretch that you get within the muscle. Now, with all of the stretches that we want to show you, you'll hear us repeat this time and time again. We really want to focus on your breathing, because breathing is what will essentially allow you to be able to release some of the tension within your nervous system, which will allow you to get into a deeper stretch. All right. So again, tweet, take a nice deep breath in. And on your exhale, just try to pull that heel a little bit closer towards your buttock, like so, and just hold it there for a couple seconds. And you want to repeat this for about 5 to 8 breath cycles, just to make sure that you're getting used to just kind of counting your breaths instead of just kind of holding the stretch for 30 seconds. All right. And again, just try to get into the habit of using your breathing as your guide, just to kind of guide you through the stretch. All right. It might take a little bit of time at the beginning, but the more you practice it, the more you start to really feel the level of impact that breathing will have in terms of increasing the level of stretch that you get. Let's do it one more time. Deep breath in, exhale, and just push a little further into the stretch and hold it there. Three, two, one. All right. And then we always recommend that you perform this exercise on the other side as well. And so that is the first stretching exercise that we recommend that you perform after you've performed a nice, thorough foam roller release of those quad and of those thigh muscles.